How to boost sales and business with an effective CRM process is what this video aims to bring to you. Are you seeking a way to streamline your customer relationship management? Let's take a moment to ponder upon the pivotal role of customer relationship management, or CRM, within successful business practices. In today's fast-paced, interconnected world, businesses are no longer just about selling a product or a service. They're about cultivating lasting relationships with customers, nurturing these connections, and turning them into loyal advocates for your brand. This is where effective CRM comes into play. It's about understanding your customers' needs, their buying behavior, their preferences, and utilizing this information to deliver personalized experiences that not only meet but exceed their expectations. However, managing these relationships is no walk in the park. Businesses often face a myriad of challenges. Picture a maze of customer data with no clear path to navigate it. Imagine a deluge of customer queries and no efficient system to address them. Visualize a team scrambling to track sales progress, missing out on potential opportunities due to lack of coordination and clarity. Sounds daunting, right? The struggle to collect and analyze customer data, the difficulty in tracking customer interactions across various channels, the challenge in forecasting sales trends, and the hurdles in aligning team efforts. All these can make managing customer relationships a Herculean task. And let's not forget, in the midst of all this, there's the ever-pressing need to turn a profit and grow the business. But here's the silver lining. Every challenge presents an opportunity for growth and innovation. And in the realm of CRM, the opportunity comes in the form of streamlining processes, leveraging technology, and enhancing efficiency. In other words, the opportunity lies in embracing a robust, feature-rich CRM system that can transform these challenges into stepping stones for success. The good news is, there is a solution to these challenges: Pipeline CRM. This dynamic platform is not just about managing customer relationships, it's about revolutionizing the way you do business. But more on that in the next scene. For now, let's rejoice in the fact that the quest for a streamlined CRM ends here with Pipeline CRM. Pipeline CRM provides a comprehensive suite of features designed to empower your business. Now let's dive deeper into what these features are and how they can propel your business forward. Firstly, Pipeline CRM allows you to manage your email campaigns effectively. With Pipeline CRM, you can create personalized email templates, schedule your emails, and even track open rates and click-through rates. This feature enables you to keep your clients engaged and nurtures your leads, turning potential customers into loyal ones. Next, we have sales forecasting. With Pipeline CRM, you don't need a crystal ball to predict your sales. The platform's advanced algorithms analyze your historical data and use it to forecast future sales. Whether you're planning for the next quarter or the next year, you can make informed decisions based on these accurate predictions. But that's not all. Pipeline CRM also offers a range of other tools designed to streamline your customer relationship management. Its contact management feature allows you to keep track of all your customer interactions in one place. You can record calls, emails, meetings, and even personal notes all in one easily accessible location. The platform also includes a task management feature, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Assign tasks, set reminders, and keep track of your team's progress all from one centralized dashboard. With Pipeline CRM, you'll never miss a deadline or forget a follow-up again. And then there's the reporting feature. With Pipeline CRM's robust reporting capabilities, you can gain insights into your sales performance, measure the effectiveness of your campaigns, and identify areas for improvement. The platform's intuitive dashboard presents data in easy-to-understand charts and graphs, making it simple for you to make data-driven decisions. Finally, Pipeline CRM offers seamless integration with popular third-party tools, making it even easier for you to manage your customer relationships. Connect your email, calendar, and other essential business tools with Pipeline CRM for a truly unified experience. With these tools at your disposal, you can take control of your customer relationships like never before. Stay tuned to learn about the benefits of Pipeline CRM in the next segment. But how does Pipeline CRM benefit your business exactly? Well, let's dive right in. First and foremost, one of the major benefits of Pipeline CRM is increased productivity. This platform streamlines your sales process by organizing and prioritizing your tasks, leads, and deals. With all of this information at your fingertips, your sales team can focus on what they do best: selling. No more time wasted on manual data entry or trying to find that crucial piece of customer information. Everything you need is right there in the pipeline. And speaking of customer information, Pipeline CRM takes customer relationship management to the next level. It provides a complete view of your customer interactions, making it easier to understand their needs and preferences. This, in turn, leads to improved customer satisfaction. Happy customers are loyal customers, and loyal customers are key to business growth. With Pipeline CRM, you're not just selling a product or service, you're building lasting relationships. Now let's talk about sales. The ultimate goal of any business is to increase sales and grow. Pipeline CRM aids in this by providing accurate sales forecasting. With this feature, you can anticipate future sales trends and make informed decisions. Need to ramp up production or adjust your marketing strategy? Pipeline CRM gives you the insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. But that's not all. Pipeline CRM also offers seamless integrations with your favorite tools and services, making it even easier to manage your business. And with its easy setup and intuitive interface, you'll be up and running in no time. All of this leads to one thing: business growth. By streamlining processes, improving customer satisfaction, and driving sales, Pipeline CRM sets your business on a path to success. And the best part? It's all packaged in an easy-to-use cloud-based platform. The benefits of using Pipeline CRM are clear, and the potential for business growth is undeniable. So why wait? Step into the dynamic realm of business efficiency with Pipeline CRM, your all-in-one solution for accelerating sales. Pipeline CRM is not just a tool, it's a game changer. You know, our world is ever evolving and the business landscape is no exception. To keep up, businesses must adapt, innovate, and optimize their operations. In this race, the one thing that can set you apart is how well you manage your customer relationships. That's where Pipeline CRM steps in, transforming the way businesses interact with their customers and leading to more successful outcomes and a better bottom line. Let's consider this. It's like having a superpower that lets you see into the future. With Pipeline CRM's sales forecasting feature, you can predict your sales trends based on historical data, giving you the ability to plan ahead, make informed decisions, and avoid potential pitfalls. It's like having a crystal ball, but better because it's backed by concrete data and sophisticated algorithms. But it doesn't stop there. Pipeline CRM also empowers you to streamline your communication with its integrated email campaigns. You can connect with your customers in a more personalized and efficient way, ensuring your messages don't just land, but make an impact. And let us not forget the ease of use. With its cloud-based platform, you can access your CRM from anywhere, at any time. It's like having a command center in your pocket. You can monitor your sales progress, track customer interactions, and even update your strategies on the go. But what truly sets Pipeline CRM apart is its commitment to excellence. Serving customers proudly since 2006, it's an award-winning platform that has earned several accolades, including the G2 Winter 2023 Enterprise High Performer Awards. This commitment to excellence is not just about providing a top-notch product, but also ensuring that you, the users, are getting the most out of it. In essence, the power of Pipeline CRM lies not just in its features, but in the transformation it brings to your business. It's about redefining how you do business, boosting your efficiency, and ultimately, driving your success. The power of Pipeline CRM lies in its ability to transform your business. So, are you ready to step into the dynamic realm of business efficiency with Pipeline CRM? Your all-in-one solution for accelerating sales is waiting for you. Are you ready to take your business to the next level with Pipeline CRM? It's time to step up, and it's time to evolve. With Pipeline CRM, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a partner, a catalyst for your business growth. Imagine this: a world where your email campaigns are seamless, your sales forecasts are accurate, and your customer base is organized, shareable, and expanding. That's the world Pipeline CRM offers. It's a world where intuitive tools and easy setup converge to redefine how you do business. It's a world where you can close more deals, faster, and with confidence. But don't just take our word for it. Pipeline CRM has been recognized with several awards, including the G2 Winter 2023 Leader Award. We have been proudly serving our customers since 2006, and our commitment to excellence has earned us several accolades. We're not just a CRM platform, we're an award-winning CRM platform. But we're not just about awards and accolades, we're about our customers, we're about you. We think big, never settle, and always bias towards action. We're problem solvers and team players. Kindness and personal responsibility are woven into our DNA. We go above and beyond for our customers because there's a commitment to the highest standards. So, why not give us a try? We're offering a 14-day free trial, and the best part? No credit card required. That's right, you can dive into this dynamic realm of business efficiency, risk-free. All you have to do is click the link in the description. Remember, with Pipeline CRM, you're not just getting a tool, you're stepping into a world where your business can grow and thrive. It's time to redefine how you do business. It's time to step into the dynamic realm of business efficiency with Pipeline CRM. Your all-in-one solution for accelerating sales. Click the link in the description and start your free trial today. Let's work together to boost your business.